في القلب مشاعر أخفيها قد أشرقت الشمس عليها.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another Ramadan reminder from Taleem Institute. In the month of Ramadan, we usually talk about refraining from food, refraining from drink, and also we talk about staying away from sins. There is another aspect in Ramadan that is also very important and is related to thinking about those who are less fortunate than us, and that is giving charity. And giving charity is not just to those who are less fortunate than us, but it is also to spend on one's family, for example, to spend on one's loved ones, to spend also on the poor people. So in Sahih al-Bukhari, it is said that كان النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أجود الناس, that the Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم was the most generous of people. And in Ramadan, he was more generous. أجود ما يكون. He was even more generous in the month of Ramadan. So think about it. He was generous from all the people. But in Ramadan, he would be even more generous because you would meet with Jibreel alayhi salam, etc. So we should try and focus on spending on those who we love this Ramadan and spending upon the poor. Jazakumullah khairan. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.